Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing polygel nails on myself using duo forms. So I did some prep work on these nails before starting this video. I filed them, pushed back the cuticles, and now I'm just using this buffer to remove shine from them. So after buffing, I'm cleaning them with alcohol and lint-free wipe. So I'll be using these two colors of polygel. One is soft pink and the other one is this shimmy pink color. This glass cup to pour slip solution in it, and then this set of dual forms. I got this set from Shein. There's this brush in it, these clips, this hand file, and this box of dual forms. So this is a polygel brush. There's this brush on one side, and then there is this spatula on the other side. So the next step is to size your duo forms. When picking out sizes, make sure that it fits perfectly from sidewall to sidewall and also around the cuticle area. And if the dual form is a little too big, you can always use a hand file to file it closer to your nail size. So the next step is to apply dehydrator. It will dehydrate your nails so that there is no oil or anything on it, and the nail extension will stick a lot better to it. And now I'll apply base coat on all my nails and then cure them for 60 seconds in LED lamp. And now it's time to start the polygel application. So I'm gonna squeeze out some of the polygel and use this spatula to grab a pea-sized amount and place it into the dual form. And then I dip my brush in this lip solution, squeeze out the excess, and then I just pat this in place. So once I have the polygel the way that I like, I will gently press the dual form onto my nail. And now it's time to clean up the excess polygel that's squeezed out on the sides. And also clean the underside of the nail to ensure that it is nice and smooth. And then cure each side of the nail in LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now it's cured, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the dough foam. And this is the nail. It was super easy. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my nails and you guys enjoy the music. So for my ring fingernail, I'll use this shimmery pink polygel. Now that the nails are done, I'm removing the sticky layer with alcohol and lint-free wipe. And then I'm using this hand file for filing and shaping these nails. So after shaping this nail with the hand file, I'm using an e-file for filing. I'm using a sanding bit with the 180 grit bend. So after all that filing and shaping, I'm cleaning the nails with a wipe and alcohol. And now it's time to apply a top coat and cure my nails for 60 seconds in nail lamp. And the last step is to apply some cuticle oil and rub it in really well, and that's it. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!